Well, good morning everybody.
Welcome back to another vlog.
We are off to my most anticipated destinations today for all of New Zealand. When I was younger, all my family obsessed with Lord of the Rings, absolutely love it. So, we're going to Hobbiton for the day.
Yes, we are. We've just picked up some breakfast, or brunch.
Brunch.
So I've got a salmon bagel.
And I've got a satay wrap.
From a place called Capers. We're currently in Rotorua. We're going to do a few things whilst we're here, but Lord of the Rings is going to be its own video. So it's about an hour from Rotorua.
Yeah, about an hour.
So we'll eat our brunch and we'll head off.
It looks pretty cool. We have to get on a couple of buses or a bus.
Are they kiwis? Have we found kiwis?
No.
Oh man.
They're little birds.
They're fluffy though.
They're just having a bath. They're adorable. But yes.
We've been on the hunt for kiwis.
We have. We haven't seen any. But yes, it's time to get going. Are you excited?
Very excited.
Meg slept the whole way, so she should be well rested.
I'm not well rested. Last night in our hostel there were some really loud people in the corridor all night.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock in the morning. Blah.
Brits as well. Be better. Break your stereotype. Come on.
These little cute birds. Anyway, it's off to Hobbiton. So the tours here are via bus, so we've just hopped onto the Hobbiton bus, and how excited are we?
So excited.
We've now arrived in the Hobbiton set area, and we're just walking to the, oh look, here's the set now. A lot smaller than these ones up here because they had some for the hobbits to stand in front of and look tiny, and then some for like Gandalf and Ron to stand in front of and look massive. So you've got your mini ones and your actual big ones. And according to our guide, I'm tall enough to be a hobbit. Rhys would have to be a wizard or an elf or something, but I'll fit in the row. How are you liking it so far?
It is incredible. It's just so beautiful, isn't it? It's so peaceful and lovely. Although there's about 900 people here, so it feels a bit different. But just the architecture, it's incredible to think that, you know, This is actually man-made, and this isn't, you know, just in nature on its own. I love it. So, out of all of this, there's only one fake tree. And it's the one at the top of Bag End, which is where Bilbo and Frodo live. Martin Freeman sat over there.
I prefer Lord of the Rings to The Hobbit.
Same, obviously. But you know. Do I need to say anything else? Sorry,
I don't know, you said you know, so I thought you were going to say something. And then, for these washing lines, Peter Jackson made people walk up and down before the films were shot to make it look like people had been walking up and down for centuries.
It's brilliant. Absolute genius, that man.
What's that, Rhys?
That's Bag End. Up there, just at the top there, with the artificial tree that we showed you before. How are you liking it, Megan?
I like it a lot. It's very cool.
It's so nice, isn't it?
I love all the details.
Yep.
And that.
And that.
This is the party scene. The party scene.
The party scene. What happens at the party scene?
There's people going around the merry-go and there's fireworks. Like, everyone's like, Gandalf, do fireworks, so he does.
Well, there you go.
There you go. Our favourite's house is Sam's house right here.
Sam.
Samwise.
Gamgee. Yeah.
Okay,
That's
cool.
the one.
Our tour includes a drink at the Green Dragon Inn, so we're just gonna go get one.
Now, we're at the Green Dragon for a pint. And yes, they come in pints. Of the Green Dragon Inn. It's perfect, isn't it? All it's missing is Merry and Pippin dancing on a table. So. And it also, need to clarify, it doesn't come in pints, it comes in halves.
Oh,
disappointing.
Yes. Overall, how was the Green Dragon Inn beverages?
Brilliant, nice little cider I had. It was very nice, very appley.
It comes included with the ticket. I personally didn't like the ginger beer, but our group's about to regroup now. But
we also have an American friend that takes like pictures and videos
yeah,
of us, which is really cute.
he came over, we were trying to get like montage, and he came over and he was like, tell me what to punch, I'll punch it. And then
so cute.
Took the most terrible.
Oh, it's okay, but his picture before, stunning.
So lovely.
And he's calling to the ducks, so he's
doing like
he's a legend.
Sounds. There were no gluten-free snacks in the Green Dragon Inn, is that what it's called? But the Green Dragon Inn.
Yes, the Green Dragon.
But here at the Shire's Rest, they have 4 different types of gluten-free bakes. So I've got this peppermint, which we'll try. That is very nice. To review, that was a fantastic experience, don't you think?
That was probably the best money I've spent. One of the
really?
Some of the best money I've spent as a a lifelong Lord of the Rings fan.
Yeah, he loves Lord of the Rings.
It's incredible. It's so good. It's a nice sort of 2 hours.
2 hours, yeah.
2 hour walking tour. It's not like inaccessible. You can do it whatever you want. It's brilliant. We had a great little tour guide called Xantha. Xanthi, that's the one. I had a free drink,
It was very good. I was going to say something.
Go for it.
What was I going to say?
She's forgot.
Oh, at the minute you can't go into any of the Hobbit holes because actually none of the filming was done of inside. None of that was done here. However, for this time next year, so March 24, they're currently building, so you might have seen a bit of building work going on. That's because they're currently building 2 interior Hobbit holes that look like the film.
Yeah.
So you'll be able to do that next year.
So we're gonna have to come back at some point,
But we recommend going to Hobbiton. There's loads of different things you can do. So we did the most basic, which is a tour and a free drink. But you can come in the morning and you get a second breakfast.
Oh yeah, you can do that.
Which is a massive feast.
Or you can do in the evening and do the same.
For a banquet.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's loads of different tours you can do here. We just did the most basic.
It was about £46 per person. So
yeah,
it was
a bit pricey.
But it wasn't horrific.
Yeah. But also, because when we were looking to book, everything on the Hobbiton website was fully booked. Just have a look on a few other sites like Viator, Get Your Guide.
Yeah, we booked through Viator.
Yeah, they usually have a few additional spots.
Yeah.
So even though it might say it's booked on Hobbiton, have a look at a few other sites, but we did book it a couple of months in advance.
Yeah.
So make sure you do book it in advance. Anyway, I'm going to drive home now, which I'm not excited about.
Because I'm drunk. No,
we had a cider.
I had a little bit of cider.
So we'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
See you next time.